We are discussing about the urinary system. Urinary system, also known as renal system, consists of kidney, ureter, bladder and urethra. The purpose of urinary system is to eliminate waste from body, regulate blood volume and blood pressure. Urine is formed in the kidney through a filtration of blood. The urine is then passed through the ureter to the bladder where it is stored. During urination, the urine is passed from the bladder through the urethra to outside of the body. Kidney and urinary system parts and their function. There are two kidneys. It is located below the ribs toward the middle of back. Remove waste product and drug from the body, balance the body fluid, release hormone to regulate blood pressure, control production of red blood cells. Kidney remove urea from the blood through tiny filtration units called nephron. Each nephron consists of a small blood capillaries called as glomerulus. There are two ureter. This narrow tube carry urine from the kidney to bladder. If urine back up or is allowed to stand still, a kidney infection can develop. Bladder. This is a triangle-shaped hollow organ located in lower abdomen. The bladder walls relax and expand to stored urine and contract and flatten to empty urine through urethra. There are two sphincter muscles. These circular muscles help keep urine from leaking by closing tightly like a rubber band around the opening of the bladder. Nervous in bladder. The nerves alert a person when it is time to urinate or empty the bladder. Sixth is the urethra. This tube allows urine to pass outside the body. At the same time, the brain signals the sphincter muscle to relax to let urine exit the bladder through urethra. Abnormal component of urine. First is the glucosuria, glucose in urine. Second is the hematuria, blood cells in urine. Ketonuria, presence of ketone bodies, acetate, acetoacetic ester and butyric acid in urine. Fourth is the uremia, presence of excess urea in blood. Fifth is the pyruria, pus in urine. Sixth is the hemoglobinuria, presence of hemoglobin in urine. Their second system is the nervous system. The nervous system is a highly complex part of an animal that coordinates its action and sensory information by transmitting signal to and from different parts of its body. In vertebrate, it consists of two main parts, central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of a brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system consists mainly of nerve, which are enclosed bundle of long fiber or axons that connect central nervous system to every part of body. Nerves that transmit signal from brain are called motor nerve or afferent nerve, while those nerves that transmit information from the body to central nervous system are called sensory nervous system or afferent nerve. The peripheral nervous system is divided into three separate subsystems: the somatic, the autonomic, the enteric nervous system. Somatic nerves mediate voluntary movement. The autonomic nervous system is further subdivided into sympathetic, parasympathetic nervous system is activated in case of emergencies. Neurons have a spatial structure that allows them to send signal in the form of electrochemical impulses traveling along thin fiber called axon, which can be directly transmitted to neighboring cells through electrical synapses or cause chemical called neurotransmitter. Thank you.